Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I will be doing my daily makeup routine. Basically just what I do when I want to do my makeup or when I do my makeup. So yeah, I know you guys are so proud of me. I'm being so consistent. But yeah, that's basically what I'm going to be doing today. Here's my makeup bag. And yeah, I may do like just talk a little bit, but this video mainly focuses on my makeup, so I won't talk that much. I will be showing you guys what I'm using though, but this isn't like a tutorial or anything. You guys can use this as a tutorial if you want to, but this video is not going to be a tutorial. But yeah, anyways, let's just go ahead and get started. I always get started with my eyebrows, and yeah, I'm just gonna start off with my eyebrows. And guys, please do not mind my hair. I'm going to be taking it down soon this week. So yeah, please don't mind it. I know it looks pretty bad, but not really I can do about that at the moment. I tried to fix it up before filming this video. So this is just how it's looking right now. So yeah. I kind of want to talk to you guys a bit about high school because last week I went to my freshman connection at my high school, and it was actually really nice. It was a really nice experience. I got to see the entire high school, got to see some of the teachers that I may be having next year, and I talked to a few people because like sometimes when it comes to like because I am a pretty social person, but that's mainly with people that I'm familiar with, and there's like a lot of new people there. It's only one person from my old school that's going to my high school. So when it comes to meeting new people, I'm not that great at socializing, but I feel like I did pretty good with meeting new people. It's like I didn't really talk to them if they talked to me. So like that's the thing. Like I did talk to them, but mainly it was if they like said something to me, you know? And yeah, and school starts back August 30th, which is very early because I'm just so used to the whole school starting in September thing. So yeah, they don't look even at all, you guys. Very hard for that. I'm gonna try to fix them up. Okay, this is the best I can do. I just feel like I just really hope that soon I'll get better at doing my eyebrows because I was never really good at doing them. And when I first started doing my makeup, they literally looked so thick. Like really thick. Like I'm not even joking when I say that they looked so thick, and it's just not something I want to go back on. Now I'm gonna fix them with my concealer. This is a concealer I use, and it's in the shade 5ONN. So yeah, my concealer is very light, so I only need just a bit of it, and I take just a little bit because I want to save this, especially since it was so expensive. Like this little thing of concealer was like $20-something, so I want to save it before I go buy another one because it costs literally so much. I only use a bit. I use a bit around here, and then I like just fix it at the top just to where it can make a point, if you guys know what I mean. Okay, so now what I'm doing is moisturizing since I lost my primer, and I hate doing my makeup with a dry face, so that's what I'm doing now. So now what I'm about to do is put on foundation. And for foundation, I use this Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer, which is a few shades lighter than me. And I use this e.l.f. Foundation, which is a little bit darker than me. So I just mix these two together and then just make my skin tone. So that's pretty much all I do. And now I'm putting on concealer, and when I put on concealer, I only need a little bit because, like I said, my concealer that I use is very light. Okay, I finished with the concealer. Makeup looks pretty good so far. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to contour and then put on blush, and then I'm going to bake. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to finish blending a bit more so I don't look like a freaking ghost. We don't want to be flashback Mary. For contour, I use this palette. And I basically just mix these two brown shades. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing for contour. Okay guys, so I finished baking, and now what I'm doing right now is eyeshadow. I already did one eye of eyeshadow, so I just decided that I'm going to show you guys how I do my eyeshadow on my other eye that I haven't done yet. So basically, I just take this palette, and it's like the two stacked up palette thing. So I'm using these three colors. So first I'm just going to take the orange, and I'm just kind of gonna like put that right here. And this is not a tutorial. I just decided I want to show you guys like how I did my eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna take the orange and kind of like do this, like pack it onto my eye area. I don't know. I feel like I'm not making sense right now, but you guys see what I'm doing. Just like this. I'm sorry if you guys hear music. My neighbors are playing music, so sorry about that. And then I'm gonna take the reddish color, and I'm just gonna put that right here and kind of blend that with the orange and like bring it out. Now I'm gonna take the lightest shade and just put it in my inner corner. I did that, I'm just going to use the same color that I used on my inner corner, and I'm just going to set my brow bone. Just like that, just taking just a little bit. Okay, now that looks pretty good. I'm going to wipe this, I'm going to wipe away my bake. And then I'm gonna go ahead and finish up everything. And this is a mascara I use Laura Mercier Caviar Volume Mascara. So yeah, this is what I use for my mascara. What the hell? Okay, now I'm just gonna go ahead and add highlighter. And yeah. Okay guys, so I finished my makeup and I think it looks really good. Let's just get into it really quickly. So yeah, I think I did really good on my makeup. It's giving what it's supposed to give. But yeah, this was my entire makeup routine. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for clicking on this video. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more of me and more of this type of content. Also subscribe if you guys want to see more makeup content from me, which will be coming soon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share so we can gain a family. Make sure to follow me on all of my social media, so they'll be at the bottom of the screen and linked in the description box below. I'm talking way too fast, I'm really sorry. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Mwah. Bye loves.